Well, the fellows are removing a dead tree between the condominiums here. They've taken it out of the hole in the ground and now they're sawing the upper portion off the roots. Don't have a very big saw and not very sharp. It's taking its time to get through that trunk. I don't think they've even got through a quarter of that trunk yet. Their saw is so small and probably so dull. Gotta be a better way to do this. But you've got other plants in the way, David. You can't just drag it out.
Drag it out anyway. También va. Sí, va.
Well, they must have plan B because they've now walked away from it. But definitely using a small saw that's obviously not very sharp is not the way to cut through the trunk of a dead tree. We're the Wandering Canucks.